Non-structural repair is having the chance to put a car back together the way it was. We work with modern technology in a real body shop.
It's really hands-on. Every time we're here, we're out in the shop.
It's a fun process taking these like damaged cars and like learning how to fix the damages to them. I learned how to sand, dent removal.
Welding,
Grinding,
body filler, plastic repair.
bumper covers, taking tabs off and remaking them out of hot plastic, letting it cool down and then sanding it.
It teaches you really useful skills,
Real-life problems that you're gonna see.
how to do it yourself. Instead of you paying somebody to like do the work for you, like you come here, you learn, and you go home and like you can look at your cars and say, hey, I actually know how to fix this. And I think that's like really cool.
But he's a great teacher. He's quick to help out. He's very open. Someone to just give you the ins and outs of everything, watch you build and grow as a person, and then correct you if things start slipping.
Having somebody like that teaching you is very helpful.
If you start to pull away, it actually cools off the temperature of your weld, allowing you to control the temperature as you weld.
And it's a fun day every day.
They want to get us jobs. They help us a lot. They help us with our resume format. Our career counselor helps a lot with that. And people come to us too and show us what opportunities we have to get out there.
They gave me a referral to talk to the manager.
For job opportunities, that's very broad. You could do upholstery, paintless dent repair. You can vary into all these other different types of jobs that you wouldn't even think are related to this, but they are.
The program has a 70% job placement.
If you're willing to wear a respirator for the rest of your life just to throw on some body filler, sand it down, make it look perfect, and get ready to paint, it's for you. If you're willing to sit here and weld, overhead weld, and have droplets fall on you and get better, and like notice your own weld bead, like continuously get better the more you improve, it's for you. If you see yourself doing or being in this industry for a lot longer than this class is, since it is 1 year, then definitely do it.
It's a very fun class.